So I'm going to highlight accessories that I cannot live without on my Tesla, and I'm going to share all of those with you today, and as well as links down below where you can get up to 25% off on these accessories. And also I'm going to leave the easiest installation videos that you can find on YouTube down there as well. Be sure you check them out. So let's get started right to the video. If you have a recent Model Y, you already have a rear cargo cover, but if you have one like mine that's a 2022, it did not come with a rear cargo cover. And this right here is an accessory that I highly recommend if yours did not already come with one. All you do is pull the cargo cover just like this and you lock it in just like that. And this right here was a very easy install, and this way, especially this time of year around the holiday season, whenever you're shopping, people cannot see exactly what you have in your trunk. Yes, the rear window is highly tinted, but you can still go through and see what's in there. And also this is protecting UV rays as well, so you don't have to worry about things getting damaged by the sun. And whenever you first take delivery of your Tesla, they come with floor mats. However, with the Tesla floor mats, they are very weak and flimsy. I like to call this like glorified cardboard. That's why I would highly recommend that you get some all-weather floor mats. They're super easy to keep clean. You can beat them out, and also you can wash them literally with a pressure washer or a regular garden hose. And then in order to install them, you're just going to take your all-weather floor mat and you just lay it right in, and there you go. And as well, with your all-weather floor mats, you do have some that stretch all the way across the back seat like this as well, and you have creasing here so it will catch water and dirt and all of the pollen and everything else that you will find on the outside, locking it right in place. Yeah, so what are you waiting on? If you don't have them, be sure you check out the link down below, because you need these for your Tesla. And getting some new wheel covers for your Tesla will make your car look like a brand new car. Take my word for it. The original Gemini cover wheels are amazing. However, these are even amazinger. I know that's not a word, that's my word, but you need to get some. And the cool thing with this is that it's covering the original rim. So if you get some wheel covers like this, you can essentially say goodbye to curb rash. And they're super easy to install and put on. All you do is take off the old ones, pop these on, and let's not talk about, with some of them too, you get better efficiency than the original. One of my favorite attributes about my Tesla Model Y is the panoramic glass roof. It makes your cabin so open and it gives you additional space above your head. Look here, I am exactly 6 foot tall, and look how much additional space I have above my head before it reaches the glass roof. However, with that, the downside is that whenever the sun is shining on these hot summer days, it gets extremely hot because there is nothing essentially that's blocking the sun rays from coming in. Yes, it's tinted, but the heat will still come in. That's why I went back to install a retractable electric sunshade. All I do is press the button right here, and you can see the sunshade is beginning to move up and it's blocking out the sun. So now your cabin can stay cooler, saving your battery, because now the car is not working as hard, especially if you're parked, so you don't have to worry about the car trying to keep itself cool whenever you're not inside of the car. And it's also going to block out the UV rays coming from the sun. I absolutely love my sunshade. And also you do have another switch in the back. Now your Tesla already makes a statement by itself. However, by including a rear spoiler on your car, it really gives your car some style. And this again is an accessory that whenever I look at it, I'm like, wow, I really need this accessory, because not only does it give your car style, it also helps along with the airflow over the car whenever you're driving. And not only do I have the rear spoiler here on my Model Y, I have the front lip spoiler here as well. I guess that's what you call it. And this right here is really good as well. It's not really adding much depth to the car. So if you're worrying about, hey, I don't want to install this on my car because it's going to make it lower, that is not the case. It just slid right on over the existing cover here. And this is great. So if you do end up scraping, you're scraping the cover and not the car. And also on the front, I did install a fog light cover trim, and it's simple just as that. It just gives the car even more personality than what you had before. So the front of the car now has even more personality than what it had before. Looking here at the front spoiler along with the fog light cover trims there on both sides. And this is an accessory that you're going to love, but a lot of times I forget that it's even there because I'm talking about a hidden compartment right here in your armrest. When you first take delivery of your Tesla, it's like a big indent and you're like, hey, what can I do with this space? That's where you can get this little hidden compartment. It just lights up. It's in there with adhesive, so it's super easy to install. That way you can keep like your lucky dollar or any other documents or money or cards or whatever. And another accessory that I simply couldn't live without on my Tesla would be a mat for my trunk. This all-weather floor mat for your trunk. Again, it is made out of high ABS material. You see right here that you have the different grooves so it will catch the dirt, the gunk. This is important, especially if you have pets, if you like to go camping, if you're into sports. I mean, if you're living life and you're going out doing things, you want to also protect, again, the carpet here on your Tesla because it is very hard to clean. So once you put this down, it's protected. You can pop this off too and just wash it right off with a water hose, beat it out, pour some water, whatever. Is very easy to clean. That's all I'm trying to say. And you can find that down below as well. So I'm on my way home right now, and another accessory that I love about my Tesla that I really love and I couldn't live without will be my HomeLink. My HomeLink is embedded inside of my Tesla, so I don't have that big gonky garage door opener that's right above my head. It automatically will open. So right now I'm about to turn on my street and I'm gonna turn the camera around. My house is right here, and all that's gonna happen, I have this HomeLink that's gonna come up. It's gonna open in 5 feet, and you can see I'm turning. Now the garage door is opening all by itself. So there is nothing I necessarily had to do in order to get my garage door to open. I mean, there is so many accessories that you can get for your Tesla. Just trying to highlight a few. And remember, you can get up to 25% off when you visit my friends over at Handshow and also EV Base. And I'm going to leave all of the links down below. Make sure you check it out and check out more installation videos right over there and all things related about your Tesla and tips and anything and everything that can get you by in the next video down there. Be sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.